Do you have an oily and acne prone skin and you're looking for ways in which you can control the oil and also the acne breakouts on your skin? Well, this video is for you. If you have the oil and acne prone skin type and you're looking for ways in which you can control the oil production in your skin or also control your acne breakout, well, this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys products that I use that you can use as well for your skin type. Okay, before we start this video, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like my video, share, and also leave your comment. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is your cleanser. Now you want to go in with a foaming cleanser, a cleanser that is going to help to control oil and also acne breakouts on your skin and also cleanse your pores. Guys, I have already cleansed my face in this video and this is the cleanser that I used. Now the second step is your toner. You want to go in with a toner that is also going to help to control oil and acne breakouts on your skin, and this one is the Rochon AHA, BHA and PHA toner with niacinamide. Guys, this toner is amazing when it comes to controlling oil. Like, it's going to exfoliate your skin. Now AHA, BHA and PHA are very good exfoliants. This is going to exfoliate your skin, unclog your pores, and also control oil production on your skin, which can cause acne. And guys, this toner is also going to help to brighten out dark spots on your skin because of the niacinamide it contains. Now this toner is really amazing and it is also very much affordable. Now the third step is your serum, and this is the Face Fast Vitamin C serum. Guys, this serum is super amazing, especially when it comes to brightening out the skin, especially if you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Guys, this serum is going to do an amazing job, and it is quite affordable and it is not going to clog your pores as well. So if you have an acne and oily prone skin type, well guys, this serum is amazing. Now this step is your treatment. Now you want to treat your skin. Okay, you want to treat your skin, and the treatment here is the OXY10 benzoyl peroxide lotion. Now this particular lotion contains benzoyl peroxide, which is amazing when it comes to controlling acne on the skin. Now if you have acne, you want to actually give this treatment a shot because it is super amazing when it comes to acne. Now the second to last step is your moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is super amazing, especially when it comes to hydrating the skin and also strengthening your barrier, because if you're not conversant with AHA, PHA and BHA, guys, those things are exfoliants and they can actually weaken your skin's barrier. They can actually damage your skin's barrier. So this will actually help to strengthen out your skin's barrier and also retain moisture in your skin and hydrate your skin a whole lot. Now the last step is your sunscreen. Guys, sunscreen is very important, especially in the daytime. Okay, you want to go in with your sunscreen. This step should not be skipped in your daily or rather in your morning skincare routine, but you can actually skip this step at night. You don't even need a sunscreen at night. Guys, can you see how my skin is looking? Oh my god, I'm feeling myself in this video. So I also use this niacinamide toner days in which I'm not using my AHA, BHA and PHA, especially in the daytime, like daytimes in which I'm going to, like maybe in the daytime when I'm stepping out and I want something that is going to help to control oil on my skin. So I use this on my skin in the daytime as well. You can also use this one at night, but I love to use it in the daytime because it helps to control oil production on my skin during the daytime. Okay, you can also try this. This is the Good Molecules niacinamide toner and it is an amazing toner. It's really amazing. This is the vitamin C face fast this is the Face Fast Vitamin C serum, and this one is by Axis Wine, and this is a spot difference blemish treatment. So I use this at night, maybe days in which I don't want to use my AHA toner. I don't want to use that particular toner I applied initially on my skin. I use this at night. This has to be used at night because it contains AHA, BHA and niacinamide. It contains literally almost the same ingredient that the toner contains, but I like to use this nights in which I don't want to use this. I use it, but I don't use it all every night. I use it maybe like once in a week, or a week in which once in a week then I would use my toner maybe twice or once again in the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed my routine. You saw what I use on my skin. on my oily and acne prone skin. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Let me also know about other products that you feel are very good or you've used before and are very good for people with oily and acne prone skin. And if you just share your ideas, share what you know, what you feel like, oh, this will actually work. You can share even hacks, tips. It should really help a lot because people will actually read it and will actually try it out. So it might not actually be what I'm saying, it might even be your comments that will actually save someone's skin from acne. So guys, let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this video. If you have any other video you'd like me to make for you, let me know also on the comment section. If you have questions, let me also know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. So till then, bye.